owner of Nurse Life Boutique, and today we're going to talk about sales tax. What can we do with a sales tax license or permit, and what is it used for? Okay, before we get started, like and subscribe my channel, and get your copy of My Beauty is Black Motivational Journal. And let's get to writing, people. Let's get our journey started, or our journal started. Let's get into it. A sales tax, which is a sales tax license or a sales tax permit, is actually a license that a business owner get so they won't have to pay sales tax on bulk orders. Let's say, for instance, you want to go to a wholesale dealer and you want to buy a bulk order of t-shirts. Well, the wholesale owner might say, hey, can you give me your sales tax license number? And you say, okay. You get them a number, and that allows you to not have to pay sales tax on that whole bulk order of items that you got. You're able to get the item for the whatever the price is that they're going to charge you for that price. One simple price, no taxes at the end. That's what a sales tax license is used for. How do you obtain a sales tax license, Ms. Hill? Okay, you will go online, search sales tax license or seller's permit, which is the same thing. Go to you're gonna put it up online. You're gonna go to your state, which my state is Texas, so it's control. It's the name of ours. You're gonna go there, put in your business name, submit your form, and then they're gonna send you your sales tax license in the mail. It normally arrives in 5 to 10 business days, depending on where you live at. So it's they'll send it in the mail, and you're able to take that license and use it to purchase your items or your wholesale items. And so what we do is we're able to charge our customers sales taxes because we are a business. So you're able to charge your customers sales tax because what you're going to do is you're going to pay the wholesale price of the order, but you won't have to pay the sales tax. What your customer will do is they'll buy this uniform and they'll pay the price of uniform plus the sales tax. So that's what a sales tax license is used for. Now, whenever you get ready to open up your business, you are going to need a sales tax license or a permit. You're going to need that license when you get ready to open up your storefront. And the reason why is so you won't get in trouble, with your state or your local city. At least you'll be, when they come in, they're going to look for that. When you go in these businesses, it's always there. And you got to have it, where it's noticeable. Where if they come in, they can see that you got your sales tax license. They can see that, that you are a legit business. So, with that being said, let's jump into it. So with a sales tax license, it's a license that we use to collect taxes, which we had already spoke about that. You can also obtain it free at your local or your state's website. Search for sales tax or seller's permit. Go in there, fill out your application, submit your information. You'll get in 5 to 10 business days. I know Texas, the sales tax license is free. But I don't know about the other cities or the city that you live in. You have to search that and see how much it will cost you to get that license. Now, what we do with sales tax license? Now, with sales tax license, you have to pay a quarterly tax. On whatever you made for that quarter, you got to pay the taxes on that to your local state control. So the quarterly taxes are every 3 months in Texas. I don't know how it is in other states because I live in Texas. I know Texas quarterly taxes are every 3 months. So you're going to pay quarterly taxes every 3 months. I know mine is the 20th, depending on when you got started. When you open up your business, you're having a sign date of when you need to pay it. They will send you an email, reminder emails to let you know, hey, your sales taxes are coming up. They will send you a reminder through your phone if you got it set up that way. So it's where you pay your taxes quarterly. So you pay your taxes every 3 months. And let's say if you made, how that goes is what I do is I call and I let them know, hey, I'm trying to pay my sales tax license. Can you walk me through it? They walk me through it the first couple of times because I know what I was doing. So they walk me through it, which they are very nice. Customer service is excellent. You could call them and tell them that this is your first time doing this. Can they walk you through it? It will be somebody on the other end that's going to walk you through step by step on how to complete it and what you need to get done. And, at the end, when it's time for you to pay, they'll tell you go ahead and make your payment. So you pay your taxes quarterly, and whatever you made for that, let's say if you made $400, so you take that $400 that you made, you submit that, and then say how much taxes that you made. It'll tell you how much taxes you gotta pay. With the taxes that you pay, it goes to your federal and your state taxes. That's what the sales tax license goes towards. It goes towards your federal and state taxes. Now, with that being said, you pay that, like, let's say mine is every 3 months. I just paid the sales tax this year, so this was July the 20th. I had to make my payment before July the 20th. If you don't make your payments on time, you get a penalty charge, which is like $50 if you don't make your payments on time. So you gotta pay that late payment plus whatever your sales tax was for that monthly quarter, or your 3 quarters. So let's say mine is due July 20th. Then I have to turn around and pay again October 20th, because how they do theirs is you do July, August, September. That's 3 months. And I will pay October the 20th on that day or before that day. To avoid late fees, pay before that day. You can always pay early if you got all your paperwork in order. You can always pay early. So mine is like July, January, and October. And it's always due on the 20th of that month or of that 3 quarters. So with the sales tax license, it could take you a lot of places. Like if you go to Dallas Market Center, they're going to ask you for your seller permit. If you go to LA Fashion District, they're going to ask you for your seller permit. So I just say, if you plan to open up a brick and mortar, or you plan to open up any kind of business where you want to get your sales tax license so you can buy wholesale products and they have to pay the taxes on it, I suggest you get your seller's permit or a sales tax license. So with the sales tax license, so once you do all that and you make your payments on time, and please file on time because you want to avoid the late payment. I always file on time. So once you do that, you make your payments on time, you pay your quarterly taxes, and you're good. You're good for another 3 months until it's time to pay taxes again. But the benefits of having a sales tax license is to let people know that you are a legal business or you are a legal entity, and that you will be able to purchase wholesale products without having to pay the taxes on the end. That's basically what a sales tax license is for a seller, which is good to have. Because when I first got started, I wasn't making no money. Even if you're not making any money, you still gotta file a no tax revenue. You still have to go in and file a no tax revenue. So when I first got started, I didn't have a storefront. They were sending me my little statements through the mail, and that's what they call short form. So with the short form, I would go through there. If I didn't make no sales for that month, I put 000. I still had to fill it out like I made sales, and I still had to ship it in or send it in like I would do anything else. Like I made sales, I still had to ship it in. Even if I didn't make any sales, I still had to file because I want to keep and obtain my license, and that's the reason for having a sales tax so you can pay. That's the reason for filing, so you can keep and obtain your license, basically. Even if you don't make any money, people, still fill out a zero, no tax revenue, so that way you can still keep your license current and you're able to go and purchase more items with that license. So today, I hope you learned something. If you got any questions or you need to know specifically, just hit the like and comment below on what the question is. If I can help you with it, I don't mind helping you with it. Until then, like and subscribe my channel, and I will see you the next time.